Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Smash history on Cross-on AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Cross-on AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages, and your profile. Stay on Explore. Under Explore, you're gonna find 3 categories: Smash, Explore, and Memories. Tap on Smash. Under Smash, at the bottom, you're gonna find 3 icons: Cross, Chat, and Smash. If you go to top right corner, you're gonna find a small icon with a heart in between a box. If you tap on it, there's a Smash history. And guys, that's it. That's how you find your Smash history on Cross-on AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.